You can review PLS data using the State Library's Public Libraries Survey dashboard. To access the dashboard, first navigate to msl.mt.gov. Scroll to the bottom of the page to select Dashboards. MSL maintains numerous dashboards about library programs and performance. In this case, you will want to select the Public Libraries Survey. You have multiple options for exploring the data. The first option, Montana PLS Dashboard, is specifically curated for Montana libraries and will include the most recently available data for the state. The next three options are maintained by the Institute of Museum and Library Services and will include data, documentation, and research files relevant to the entire national dataset dating back to 1992. Let's select Montana PLS Dashboard. The landing page defaults to the fiscal year with the most recent national comparative data. At the time of recording this tutorial, fiscal year 2020 is the most recently released national dataset from IMLS. However, as you can see in the note at the bottom of the page, the dashboard also includes preliminary data from Montana. Preliminary data has been collected and certified, but not released by IMLS yet. You can navigate the dashboard using the menu at the top of the page. Filters below the menu will allow you to interact with the dashboard. For example, to change the year or the measures depicted. At any time, you can export the view on screen using the dashboard controls. Export options include image, crosstab, PDF, or PowerPoint. Next, I will walk you through each of the menu options. The first, default dashboard, is the state snapshot. The state snapshot provides totals, state per capita, national per capita, and state per capita rank for key measures including registered users, library visits, reference transactions, total circulation, total program attendance, computer users, and Wi-Fi sessions. The map at right uses color intensity to show county performance. Hovering over the county or an individual library will reveal a tooltip with additional information. By default, we are examining total operating revenue. To change the measure, use the filter above the map. The second dashboard features a library snapshot. While the previous window displayed data in aggregate for the whole state, this dashboard focuses on a single library at a time. However, the dashboard focuses on similar key measures. This time, we see how the library ranks in comparison to other libraries in the state. The green hue indicates the rank falls in the upper half of state performance. As on the state snapshot, you can change the map focus using the filter at top. To export this entire view to include in a board packet or similar report, try using the Export for PowerPoint option. Leave the settings as this view and click Download. The third dashboard provides charts for comparison across years. The top bar chart looks at the total or sum, while the bottom bar chart examines the data at the per capita level. Of note, the bottom chart also includes the state per capita for the selected measure. It runs as an area chart in the background for comparison. The fourth dashboard includes a library comparison. Both the libraries and measures compared can be controlled using the filters at top. Selecting a library name from the crosstab view will highlight it both on the map and in the chart for easy identification. The fifth dashboard is like the last, but instead provides a national comparison. While Montana and its bordering states are selected, you can choose other states for comparison. As before, selecting a state in the crosstab will highlight it on the map and in the chart. The final dashboard includes a cross-tab view of selected data tables. This information is best used for export if you want to run your own analysis or create additional charts. To add additional years or to select a specific table or library, use the filter at top. This concludes the Public Library Survey Dashboard tutorial. For assistance regarding the dashboard, please contact the Montana State Library Data Coordinator.